In today's video, we're going to discuss tape measures and the reasons why you should only use one tape measure for each project. So how are lads and lasses? Let's get macking. Right, tape measures come in all different shapes and sizes. You have some with lasers, you have mini ones on key rings, they're quite useful. Just the normal standard one. And then you have this one. This is one of my new purchases. This one is flat and it's in millimeters as well. Normal tape measures, they come in centimeters, millimeters and inches, but each tape measure is different. Just checking. Each tape measure will be something like this. Right, each tape measure is made differently, even if it's from the same brand. They'll each measure differently. That's why you should always use the same tape measure for each project. For example, if I draw a line, if I draw a 20 centimeter line with this tape measure, excuse the line, then draw another 20 centimeter line with this tape measure, and draw another 20 centimeter line with this tape measure. And this one. You will find that each tape measure is slightly off. So if you use different tape measures per project, each one of your cuts will be slightly off. So for example, if you used this tape measure, building the workbench, use this tape measure to measure one leg. Then for example, you use this tape measure to build another leg. Now one leg is going to be higher than the other because you used two different tape measures. So if you're going to be building something, just stick with one tape measure. You don't need multiple tape measures. Multiple tape measures is good because you can dot them around your workshop. Like for example, I could have one on my shelves. I could have one next to my table saw, one next to my CNC machine. But you only use one tape measure for one project. Always, it's a good idea just to keep in mind what tape measure you're using for that project. So if it's got a little clip on the back, just clip it on your trousers, or if you have an apron, clip it in your apron. Then put the other tape measures on the shelf. So if you're looking for a new table saw, I highly recommend this video. That's it, lads and lasses. See you on the next one. There we go. That's that for that.